Well, bonjour my friends, and welcome back to Desserts for One or Two. Today we are making the densest of cakes, the dense white cake and buttercream frosting. Oh, so delicioso for the tummy. Now from time to time I do like a nice fluffy cake to melt on my taste buds. But this is not the one you will be looking for if you're looking for a fluffy cake. This cake is more reminiscent of a sweet little sugar and butter baby just nestled up in your tummy, cozy by the fire, and it is content to stay there the entire night, keeping you satiated and happy. So pay very close attention throughout the video because there are a couple techniques that I use in this cake making process that helps to achieve this nice dense texture. We whip the egg whites, you saw that in the beginning of the video, along with the cream that I add to the cake at the end. I actually whip the cream. Why I whip the egg whites and the cream is because I want to remove some of the moisture from these items. Soggy bottoms are for babies, and even babies will protest to having the wee-wees in their diapers. So for goodness sake, get the moisture out of your cake. This way we won't have to put diaper cream on it when it comes out of the oven. Okay, and almost right on cue, here I go whipping the cream. So this is what I mean, just give it a nice stiff whipping, and when you incorporate it to the cake, it will be lacking some of this moisture, okay? Side note, you're going to see me doing the mixy mix with the hand here. This turned out to be a very bad idea. I got nothing but stickiness all over my fingers, and I ended up just switching back to the bowl scraper to mix the rest of the cake batter here. So you skip the mixing with your hand thing. This turned out to be a terrible idea. And here we are, straight out of the oven, our beautiful little white cake baby. Oh, it's ready for a nice decorating now. So let's get started on the decorations. We're going to bring out our homemade buttercream frosting and get it right in between the two slabs of the cake. So once you get it cut in half, you're going to ice the middle and the top and the sides. If you need to know how to make a nice perfect buttercream frosting for your cake, just reference my video. I've got one that shows you exactly how this is done. You don't have to do buttercream in the middle of this cake. In fact, I think it would be a lovely addition to put maybe a lemon curd or some kind of strawberry jam or something in the middle to kind of give a little tanginess to all the sweetness of this cake. So keep this in mind when you are making this cake. You can customize it however your heart desires. It's your sugars, and as always, do it the way you want it. In finality to this recipe and the decoration, you see me playing with my fondant balls, which also happens to be my nickname. Whatever kind of decoration puts a smile on your face, do this. We are only here to have fun.